Hello everyone, this is Praveen Kodapalli. In this video, I will explain you how to find the squares of the numbers in easy manner. Right? First of all, the numbers vary from 26 to 49. This is trick 1 to find the square of a number. These are applicable if you know the squares from 1 to 25. Then only you can find easily the squares of these numbers. Now first trick 1, this is applicable the numbers which are less than 50. First condition, the number which is less than 50 square. Suppose if I take 49 square, how you can find 49 square in easy method? Compare this 49 with 50. Suppose I am taking 50 minus 49. This gives you 1. Now square this number and always you remember write in 2-digit format only. 1 square is 1. Right? This is over now. This number is less than 50. That's why this result is subtracted from 1 right in left side of the number, square number. Once again, listen how I am finding this one. First you subtract the number from 50. That value is squared. If you square that value, that gives a single digit or else a double digit or else 3-digit number. You have to write only in 2-digit format. That is 1 square I am writing like this 0 1. 2-digit format. After that, this difference is subtracted from 25. 25 minus 1, 24. That value right in left hand side. This is the square of 49. Now, once again, you take one more number. Suppose I am taking 48. You know that 48 is 2 less than 50. Square this number, that value is 4. 2 square is 4. Subtract 2 from 25, right left hand side that value 23. 2304. I am finding here the numbers which are less than 50. Once again I will take one more example. Suppose 26. Subtract 26 from 50, that result gives you 24. What is the square of 24? 576. I am telling you, always write in 2-digit format only. Don't write in 3 digits or single digit. Always write in 2-digit format. That's why I am taking 5 here, 76 here. Square of 24 is 576. Now this 24 is subtracted from 25, that gives you 1. Now here carry is there, that carry 1 plus 5 gives you 6. Right here, take here, that gives you 676. Square of 26 is 676. One more example. 32 square. What we have to do? Yes, first you subtract from 50. What it gives? 18. What is the square of 18? 324. If you don't know, first you learn 1 to 25 squares. Then only these are very easy for you. 324. Now this 18 is subtract from 25. That gives you 7. Here carry is there, 7 plus 3 10. Take here, that gives you 1024. Once again, I will explain you clearly 36 square. First of all, the square of that number. For that, you have to subtract the number from 50. These numbers are less than 50 and nearer by 50, which are less by 50. In that case, we have to subtract from 50. That result gives you here 14. Square of 14 is 196. Write in 2-digit format. Take 1 here. This 14 is subtract from 25, that gives you 11, plus 1, that gives you 12, 96. This is the way to find the square of the numbers which are less than 50. Now we move on to next number 2. Next method, trick number 2. The numbers which are vary from 51 to 74. In previous case, the numbers which are less than 50, these are more than 50 and less than 75. Okay, now I take 51 square. I am taking 51. Why? How we can find 51 square means? Simply take the difference between 51 and 50. That value is 1. Square that value and write in 2-digit format. What is 1 square? 1. This 1 is added to 25. Right here, left hand side. That gives you 2601. The number which is more than 50, that value is added to 25. If it is less than 50, that value must and should subtract from 25. That will be that number will be take here. Right? Next, try to solve. I will explain you one more question, one more number square. Suppose 62 square. How we can find 62 square? Tell me. 62, difference between 62 and 50. What is that? 12. What is the square of 12? 144. Take here 44. 1 is carry. This 12 is added to 25. Why? Because this 62 is more than 50. That's why this gives you 25 plus 12, 37. This carry is added to 37. That is 38. 37 plus 1, 38. One more. 74 square. How to find the square of 74? Now compare 74 with 50, that is 24 more. Square this 24. Square of 24 is 576. Take 2-digit format and 5 is carry for the next step. This 24 is more than 50. That's why 24 added to 25. This result gives you 49 plus 5, 54. 5476 is the square of 74. I think it is clear. First one is less than 50 number. Second one is more than 50 number. Next case is which is less than 100 and more than 100. Now case 3. The numbers vary from 76 to 99. How we can find the square of these numbers? These are less than 100 and nearer to 100. These numbers are less than 100, nearer to 100. In this case, if you want to find suppose 99 square, these numbers now compare with 100. Previous numbers are compared with 50. Why? Because those are nearer to 50. Those may be less than 50 or more than 50. If it is less than 50 means subtract from 25. If it is more than 50 means add to 50. That case, that same procedure is also applicable in the case of less than 100. Suppose if you compared 99 with 100, this is how much less? 1 less. That value, if you square this 1, that gives you 1 only. Write in 2-digit format, that is 1. After obtaining 1, subtract this 1 from this given number. Subtract from 99, 98, right here. Why? Because we are why we are subtracting from 99? Why? Because this is less than 100. If it is more than 100 means that must be added to given number. That difference must be added to given number. Now, take one more example. Suppose 96 square. How we can find the square of 96? Compare with 100. This is 4 less. What is 4 square? 16. Subtract 4 from 96. That's it. 9216. This is the way. Now tell me how we can find the square of 88. 88 when subtract from 100, that gives you 12. What is 12 square? 144. Write in 2-digit format. 1 is here. Subtract 1 from 88, that gives you 76 plus 177. This is the way to find the square of the numbers which are less than 100 and nearer to 100. Now, next case 4. How we can find the square of the numbers which are more than 100 and nearer to 100? That means 101 to 124. More than 100. In this video, I will tell you how to find the squares from 26 to 125 only. Now, how to find the square of 101? Or else 105, or else 124. Any number, now compare with 100. If you compare with 100, this is one more. Take 1 square. 1 square is 1. After that, this 1 is added to the given number 101. That result gives you 102 right here. This is very simple. Isn't it or not? Very simple. Now tell me this one. This is 5 more. 5 square is 25. This 5 is added here. That gives you 110. 110 to 5. What about this one? 24 is more. 24 square is 576. Take 76 here. 24 is added here. 148 plus 5. 153. 15376. Very clear? Yes, this is the way to find the square of the numbers. Now, if you know the 1 to 25 squares, then only these are possible. For that, you must and should learn 1 to 25 squares. Now, how next case, the numbers whose units digits end with 5. For those numbers, how to find the squares? Suppose if you take 25, what is the square of 25? What is the square of 35? What is the square of 45? What is the square of 85? What is the square of 115 or 105? Right? Very simply, you know that already. 5 5s are 25. This shortcut is applicable in the case of any number whose units digits must be 5. In this case, simply 5 5s are, take 5 5s are 25. Any case you write like this only, 25. After that, multiply left side digit with next number. Here left side digit is 2, multiply with 2 after which number exists? 3. 2 3s are 6. This gives you 625. Same manner, what about this one? 3 is there in left side. What is next digit? 4. 3 4s are 12. Here 4 is there. 4 5s are 20. Simple. What about this one? 5 5s are 25. 8 after 9. 8 9s are 72. What is here? 5 5s are 25. 10 after 11. 10 11s are 110. 110 to 5. Now tell me, I give you one. All of you give answer for that within 2 seconds. What is the square of 75? Tell me now. Yes, it is. 5 5s are 25. 7 8s are 56. 5 6 2 5. This is the way to find the squares of the numbers from 1 to 125. If you know the squares from 1 to 25. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Share my videos to your friends and relatives also. Thank you for watching. Yours Praveen Kondapalli.